children, how are you all? I know you all are studying well. Children, now we are going to start our new computer sessions. I am sure that you will enjoy these sessions. Children, in 4th standard we have studied about computer hardware, software, PowerPoint, Word and logo. Now in 5th standard we will learn about some more technologies. Okay, so let's start.
Chapter 1 Computer Hardware Session 1. There are some components such as keyboard, mouse and monitor which we can see because they are present outside the computer system. Some components cannot be seen as they are present inside the computer like motherboard, hard disk, ROM and many more. Various hardware components that make up a computer system can be broadly divided into three categories, which are input devices, output devices, and components inside the CPU box. So let's start discussing about those hardware components in detail. Input devices. Data and instruction must be entered into a computer system in order to carry out various tasks. The data entry tasks are carried out by input devices. In short, the devices which are used to enter a data into computer system are called input devices. We know that keyboard, mouse and scanner are input devices. Now let's learn about some other input devices. So first is joystick. A joystick is an input device which is used to change the position of the cursor or any other object on the screen. Joysticks are popularly used for playing video games. It has one or more push buttons whose state can also be read by the computer. Now, second technology is light pen. A light pen is connected to the VDU, Visual Display Unit. It allows the user to draw or point at objects on the computer screen or the monitor. It means it is shaped like a pen. It consists of a photocell and an optical system placed in a small tube. So this way it is one type of input device. Now next technology is microphone. A microphone is used to input sound into a computer. It helps in recording your voice or other sounds. In short, microphone is mainly used for recording an audio, for video, for voice recording, for voice recognitions, for recording musical instruments, and it enables to users to make calls over the internet. Now next technology is graphic tablet. A graphic tablet is used to draw images and pictures on the computer screen in a similar way as you draw pictures with a pencil on paper. It means a graphic tablet consists of flat surface on which a user can draw using a pen like drawing device called stylus. A great use of graphic tablet is to capturing the handwritten signatures of people. Now next technology is barcode reader. A barcode reader is a device used to read barcode. A barcode is a pattern printed in lines of different thicknesses that can be seen on many products. So a barcode reader interprets these lines to input the information of a product into the computer system. Barcode readers are widely used in supermarkets and malls for recording the sale of items quickly. Now next technology is touchscreen. A touchscreen is a touch-sensitive computer display screen that can also act as an input device. It can identify the presence and position of touch inside the display region. So the touchscreens are easy to use and are often found in public places such as ATMs, ticket collection terminals, and airports. We are also using touchscreen cell phone and tablets in our routine life. Now next technology is MICR. MICR stands for Magnetic Ink Character Recognition. It is a special type of device used for processing checks in banks. It means the number codes at the bottom of the checks are written using a special ink called magnetic ink. MICR are used to read these characters. This technology is also used to print financial forms, credit card, invoices and rebate coupons. Now next technology is digital camera. A digital camera can be used to capture images and pictures. Some cameras can also record video and also store data in the memory card. These pictures and videos which are stored in memory card can be transferred to a computer by connecting the digital camera to the computer. In market, many digital cameras are available like Kodak, Canon, Sony, Nikon and many more. Next technology is web camera. A web camera records video that can be saved, viewed or sent to other people using the internet. It is used at the time of video chatting. Many laptops come with an inbuilt web camera. It means web cameras are typically small cameras that sit on a desk attached to a user's monitor or are built into the hardware. Now last technology is biometric devices. These days many biometric devices are available that can scan and detect a person's fingerprint, face and so on. These devices are used for identification and access control. The term biometric is derived from the Greek words bio means life and metric means to measure. They help in enhancing the security as compared to the system of login IDs and passwords. So here these points are cleared, right? Now coming to the end of the session, you have to write the following terms: joystick, graphic tablet, barcode reader, light pen, MICR and biometric device. I hope you understood today's session. In today's session, we have learned about input devices. Now in next session, we will learn about output devices, which will also be interesting. Okay, children, now in last, I will tell you some interesting facts about computer. So let's see. Typewriter is the longest word that you can write using the letters placed on a single row of the keyboard. The average human being blinks 20 times a minute but only 7 times a minute when using a computer. The first ever hard disk drive was made in 1979 and could hold only 5 MB of data. NASA's computers were hacked by a 15-year-old hacker. It caused a 21 days shutdown of NASA's computer. The first computer mouse was made from wood, which was constructed in 1964. Okay, bye and take care.